welcome back to Girl That's My Purse. Today is Glam Sports Day. Today we are going to go over a plethora of balls that we do have, glammed out and unglammed out. For starters, we will start with our basketballs. So, my favorite purse so far, basketball-wise, sports-wise, is the basketball purse. As you can see, this purse is kind of large for its size. It's a clutch, just like my other clutches. Push to open. It also has a chain as well if you want to make this a shoulder purse. Again, basketball purse. This is the glammed out one. I do have one same color, same size. Well, not same size, but a smaller size. Again, that's the basketball clutch. It is decked out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's decked out. It's all pretty and shiny. I also have the mini basketball purses. I have these in a lot of colors too. As you can see, pink, I have brown, and I have a white. I also have a black one, but I was kind of too lazy to bring all this stuff out here because it is hot. But yeah, check them out on the website. Again, these are the basketball purses. The first one that's still over in the corner is the glammed out one. That's the one with full of rhinestones. That one's on the website as well. We also have soccer themed purses. Now, I have two different ones. Like I said before, I got a glammed out version, and then I got a regular version. They're about the same size, so I lied. This one's a little smaller. This one is a clutch though. This one has only a zipper, basically. This one is a clutch purse. It holds a good amount of stuff. Your keys, your phone cannot fit in this purse. This purse also does come in the same size as the basketball, so I have two different sizes. As a matter of fact, let me put them together. So, you can get this vice versa. You can get the soccer ball purse this big, or you can get the basketball purse this big. These both are glammed out, hence the shininess from the sun. They're both glammed out. Last but not least, the newest item to my collection is the football purse. So y'all know I'm going to sport this one to my sister's games. I have it in 4 colors. This one is also a clutch. As you can see, comes with the chain. If you want to, if you just that bold to wear it without the chain and you want to hold it in your hand, be my guest. But it's kind of a nuisance. Again, this is the blue one. Y'all can see I'm kind of short, so it hangs a good amount. It's noticeable, it's shiny. I have also 4 colors. So I got the original basketball color. I got a pink one, which we just missed breast cancer, but we can still show our support. I got this one. Again, they're all clutches. They all come with chains. The chains that go to these for the shoulders, they're not the same color as the purse. They're all gold. So if you buy one, just know the shoulder strap is going to be gold. I have the brown, like I said, natural, like the actual football. I'm turning it the wrong way. There we go. Like the actual football. And then I also have the yellow. So, the yellow is hot too. Kind of remind me of like the Super Bowl championship kind of thing going on. But yeah, so this is on our website as well. Basketball purses and the soccer ball purses. Go ahead, check them out. Like I said, they're all clutches except for the ones that are not studded out. They're not clutches, they're like the regular little purse, but everything's on the website. So shop, shop, shop. Happy Sports Day.